In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Otter Ai into Zoom. By the end, you'll know how to connect Otter to your Zoom meeting so it can capture live notes and a transcript, making your calls easier to review and share afterward. Start in Zoom. Open the Zoom desktop app or web portal and make sure you have a meeting ready to go. This can be a scheduled meeting or your personal meeting room. If you're the host, confirm that participants are allowed to join and that you're comfortable with a transcription bot entering the room. Always follow your organization's recording policies and let attendees know that transcription will be enabled. Locate your Zoom meeting ID. You'll see it on the meeting details screen or at the top of your meeting window. It's typically a 10 or 11-digit number. Copy that number to your clipboard. If your meeting uses a passcode, keep that handy as well. You may be prompted for it when Otter connects. While you're here, double check the meeting time and that you have host or co-host permissions if needed. Now switch over to Otter. Sign into your Otter account in your browser or the app. On the home page, look for the option to record or to connect to a Zoom meeting. You should see a field where you can enter a Zoom meeting ID. Paste the ID you just copied. If Otter asks for a passcode, enter it exactly as it appears in Zoom. For clarity, it's helpful to give the session a recognizable title so you can find it quickly afterward. Once your meeting ID is in place, click Record. Otter will join your Zoom call as a virtual participant and begin transcribing in real time. In Zoom, you and your attendees may see a participant with an Otter name join the meeting. If anyone is unfamiliar, let them know it's there to capture notes. In Otter, you'll see the live transcript appear line by line. Speak clearly and try to minimize background noise for the best accuracy. If Otter doesn't connect, confirm that the meeting is already running, the ID and passcode are correct, and that the waiting room or host approval isn't blocking new participants. Also make sure you're signed into the right Otter account and that your plan has available transcription minutes. When you're done, end the meeting or stop the recording from Otter. Your transcript will be saved to your Otter workspace, where you can review, edit, highlight key moments, and share with teammates who couldn't attend. That's it. Copy your Zoom meeting ID, paste it into Otter, and click record. You're all set to capture accurate, searchable notes from your Zoom calls.